Hi, if you'd like to learn how to play paper plane cornhole, this video will show you how.
First of all, you'll need 3 sheets of paper and a trash can or laundry basket. You'll also need something to represent your throwing line, like a stick, a book, or anything that won't move easily. You'll also need a timer. Oh, and see if you can get someone to keep track of your time and your points. We'll call them the keeper. Next, you'll need to make 3 paper airplanes using a design of your choice. You can go to my YouTube video called How to Make a Classic Paper Airplane to find out how. The link is in the description below. To set up the game, put down your throwing line. Next, you'll need to walk about 5 paces away from the throwing line and place your trash can or basket there.
Now that you're set up, let's go over a few rules.
First of all, the object of the game is to score points by throwing your paper airplane into the trash can or laundry basket. You have 1 minute to score as many as possible. Fly your airplanes as many times as you can toward your target. Score 1 point for every plane that hits the outside of the basket. And you get 2 points for every plane that lands in the basket.
Now you're ready to play.
When the keeper starts the timer, start throwing all 3 of your planes while the keeper tracks your points and your time. Once all 3 planes have been thrown, you'll need to run to pick them up, go back to the throwing line, and keep throwing the planes. Try to throw as many as you can before your time is up. After time expires, the keeper will add up your score. You could play again to see if you can improve your score. If more than one is playing, decide who goes first. Then the other goes next after their minute is up. They should probably use their own planes for obvious reasons. Whoever has the most points earned within their minute wins the game.
Now you're ready to play paper plane cornhole. Have fun!